welcome to the STEAM Club. Today we're gonna do an experiment and the name is Brainstorm. So, with this experiment, I want to teach you how the system of the weather works. Okay guys, so we need a jar, okay, some water, food coloring. In this case, just we need the blue color, okay guys, and shaving cream. Okay, these are the materials for our experiment. Okay guys, we're gonna start our experiment. In this case, we're gonna add some water in our jar. Okay, we're gonna try to add the water half of the jar. Okay, don't full completely, just half. Okay, like this. Did you see it? Okay guys, now what are we gonna do? We're gonna add some blue food coloring. Why? Because we're going to pretend that this water will be the sky with the blue food coloring. So what color is the sky? It's blue, correctly? But what kind of blue? Is dark blue or is light blue? So it's light blue. Yes guys, you are correct. So in this case, just we're gonna add 1 drop of food coloring. Okay guys, just 1 drop. Why? Because we need the light sky. If you add more than 1 drop, the sky will be too dark and you won't be able to see the rainstorm. Okay guys, so we're gonna add just 1 drop. You see, 1 drop, and you are gonna see that it's just there in the middle of the water. So in this case, we're gonna use our spoon here and we're gonna mix it. Okay, and now how this look? This looks like a blue sky. You see? Okay. Now that we have our blue sky here in our jar, what do we need? We need some clouds. Yes. And what color are the clouds? Yes, guys, you are right. White. So for this case, we're gonna use shaving cream. Okay? And what do you think, guys? What is going to happen if I add some shaving cream on the water? In the water, what do you think? Is going to disappear if I add some shaving cream here, or the shaving cream will be melted, or if the shaving cream will be there and it's not going to disappear, it's not going to be melted, it's just the shaving cream will be there. Okay, what do you think? Okay, I don't know, so let's gonna see what is going to happen. So you're gonna shake and you're gonna add some shaving cream. Okay, so in this case, what happened, guys? Something happened with the water. You see, the shaving cream is here on the top of the water, is on the bottom. And if nothing happened, the shaving cream is still there. Just we're going to move just the shaving cream just a little, and now we have our clouds and our sky. Okay guys. Okay, now guys, our next step will be add our blue food coloring. Okay. Now that we have our clouds and we have our blue sky, let's gonna see what happened. So in this case, when the clouds absorb the water from the earth, the clouds will be too heavy. That is the reason that it starts to rain, because the clouds will be too heavy. Okay, so I'm going to add the blue food coloring and you are going to see what is going to happen. Okay, so I'm going to move a little here, the side, and I'm going to add the blue food coloring and tell me what you see. Okay, let's see, maybe we need to add more blue food coloring. And now it starts to rain. Could you see here? The water is coming down and we can see the storm, the rainstorm. I'm gonna move the jar and you will be able to see how the storm and the rain is coming down. We're gonna add more blue food coloring and we're gonna see. Okay guys, this was our experiment today. I hope that you really like this project and that you understand how the clouds and our weather system works. And in this case, I just want to add some options and you can start to think about that. For this experiment, we use shaving cream, right guys, to make the clouds. But what happens if instead of shaving cream, we use white light cream? So what do you think is going to happen with the white light cream? Do you think that this kind of cream will be there like the shaving cream, or this cream will be melted with the water? And if it's like that, what happens with the rain? So you can try this experiment with these both options, and tell me the next time. Okay guys, see you, bye bye.